Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Siri Chandna, ma'am. I'm from Hyderabad. Worked in Aptronics for 1.5 years, ma'am. Then coming to my hobbies, I love listening to music and I love traveling. And my strengths are I'm a hardworking person and I love uh, I'm a good communicator. I see myself as a good communicator.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you told that you see
Yes,
yourself as a good communicator. So can you share some experience? Means where you have proved
yes.
to be a good communicator.
Ma'am, I think so. After my graduation, I've joined Aptronics only based on my skills. I was able to get recruited there. I didn't had any experience there before. There, I got recruited only through my communication skills, and also after I've joined for 1 month, I've been since it was new. I struggled a lot, a bit. Uh, but after working for 1 or 2 months, I've improved in my communication skills, ma'am. So I
Okay.
see
So why
myself
did
as a
you
good. Yes, ma'am.
leave the job there?
Ma'am, due to COVID, I had to leave. My parents asked me to stop working, ma'am.
So you were
Yes, ma'am.
basically interested in the sales profile.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So why don't you go for or why don't you have any plan for government exams or government services?
Okay. So since I've already told you, I've been there in this sales field. So I found this profession as one of the profession where I could grow myself and keep improving myself as a person. And I was getting in a self satisfaction and an instant reward in this field. So I thought I'll continue in the sales itself now.
Okay. So now
Yes,
I'll give you 2 minutes, and there you'll
yes.
have to explain me that means in your point of view, what is the
Okay.
meaning of growth and how you define growth according to you.
What is it, ma'am?
Growth. I'm asking about
Growth.
growth. Yeah.
Growth. Uh, Ma'am, I see growth as something which, uh, telling in a simple words, it's a progress basically. From a point A to point B, some improvement and some kind of development in any field. Like it might be self development or it might be in your work or whatever. It's basically improving yourself. When you improve yourself, you'll see growth in yourself, ma'am. And
Okay.
I think it comes through hard work and experience. I think.
So, if I ask you to choose between hard work and smart work in sales profile, so what do you think? Which one is better?
I think in any field it's smart work, I guess, ma'am. It's not only in sales, in any field it's smart work, I guess.
And what about hard work?
Yes, ma'am, hard work does help, but
Because you
it
told that hard work is the key for the growth.
yes,
So
ma'am.
then,
Uh,
how can you link this with growth? If you are saying
yes,
that
ma'am.
only smart work is necessary.
I don't think it's only about hard work. I think it's hard work and smart work together.
Yeah, yeah,
So
it's
with
together, right?
yes, ma'am. First
So
you
that
have
means
to
you
work
were
hard.
confused in the first, when I asked you, you were confused. Or do you
It's not.
still have confusion?
No, ma'am. I think it starts with hard work and it's end with smart work, I guess, in any field.
Okay. So now,
Yes, ma'am.
how much you would like to rate yourself on a scale of 10? If I ask you about convincing people, how good you are in convincing people?
Uh, I think I give 8 myself, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, then let's have some scenario-based question, and there you'll have to do the same thing. That means you have to
Yes,
convince the people, and you can
yes,
treat
ma'am.
me as your customer. Okay, I'll be your
Yes, sure,
customer.
ma'am. Sure.
So
Yes,
my
sure, ma'am.
okay, so my first
Mm.
question to you is that suppose I have come to your shop to
Yes,
buy
ma'am.
a home theater because I have some party in my home or whatever.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I have a
Yes, ma'am.
family
Yes, ma'am.
function. So for that, I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
a home speaker, the bigger.
Yes, ma'am.
So in
Yes,
that
ma'am.
case, your manager is shouting that you have a radio, okay, and which is just there for many months or almost a year, and no one just taken that radio. So now you will have to sell either hook or crook. You have to sell that radio to me. So now, how will you convince me? Okay, you can try.
Okay.
I mean, you can start.
Okay. Okay. Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Welcome to the store, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
May I know how do I help you?
Yeah, I just need the best home speaker. I have a family
Okay.
function, so for that, can you show me the best home speaker? It can be Sony or anything.
Okay, ma'am. May I know what is the need of the why do you want to buy a home theater? May I know the need?
Yeah, I already told you actually. I have a family function, so
Okay.
parties will
Okay.
be there, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically for party you need a good music,
Yeah.
right, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll
Yes.
show you. Yes, ma'am. I'll show you a home theater also. I'll show you another option. We have a radio too. Just have a look at it, ma'am. We'll show you the demo. Just have a look at it. Later we'll see. I'll show you home theater too. Just
But
have a look at.
sorry, but why radio? I'm sorry, I don't use radio and I don't have
Ma'am,
grandparents with me. It's a
yeah,
family function where cousins will be. Yeah.
yes. We had a customers before too for the songs of the same need we had. Like we've sold radio only, ma'am. Just have a look at it. Later we'll show you home theater, ma'am.
But
Look
what
at
will
this.
be the difference? Can you tell me the difference? Means home speaker is something which we use for DJs, parties,
Yes,
but
yes,
radio,
ma'am.
I don't think it will work.
Ma'am, for home speaker you need to operate. You need to operate for radio.
Yeah.
You could just switch it on and then it starts playing. You need not, according to the mood, the radio station people only will play your songs and all, ma'am. For daily purpose, radio would help you better than a home theater. And for home theater, you'll just only need it. You'll only use it for the party itself. But for radio, you can use it every day on a daily purpose, like from if you have your grandparents
Yeah,
or
but
children
I am
for
a working person. Yeah,
yes,
listen. I'm a working person, so I go to office every day. So I don't require, and for that, mobile is there, earphones are there. Whenever I want to feel, like listening songs, I use my mobile and earphones. So radio, I can buy the radio, but it will be useless. Means I just have to keep it in my home and doing nothing with that. So please,
yes, yes,
I don't want to waste my time because I have a lot of other work. So can you just
yes,
show me the home speaker, the best one?
yes,
I'm just here to pay you everything, any money.
yes. Ma'am, look at this radio. Okay, fine, ma'am. We'll show you a theater, home theater also. We'll give you this radio as a complimentary, ma'am. It just we're giving 70% offer on this radio, ma'am. Take home theater with this. You can also take. You'll get this radio. If you take Sony home theater, you'll get this radio too as a complimentary. You'll not since it's a Dashera offer and we're giving it on sale. We just sell it. We're giving you 70% discount, ma'am. You can take Sony home theater. With this you will get this radio as a complimentary if you pay 30% itself. And for Samsung you'll not get this radio, ma'am. You can take Sony home theater. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I got your point.
Yes,
So now my
yes,
next question to you is that suppose I'll come to your shop to buy a cooler of say
yes,
14 to 15,000. So in
ma'am.
that case, you have to convince me to buy a AC of say around 65,000. Okay.
Okay, you're here for the cooler, so I have to buy you an
Yeah,
AC.
yeah.
Okay. Hello. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to
Good
the
evening.
store. May I know you're here for the cooler, ma'am? I got to know. Hello.
Yeah, I want a cooler. Yeah, I want a
Yes.
cooler.
Okay. Ma'am, are you a working person or are you a homemaker, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm a working person.
Okay, ma'am. Here we have this AC, ma'am. I think AC is better than cooler, ma'am, since it's summer. It's very hot these days. Summers are increasing every day. So just have a look at AC, ma'am. So you're ready to pay 20,000 for the cooler, right?
Yeah, I just wanted a cooler for 15,000, but if needed, then I can pay at least 20. But
Okay.
more than 20, I won't be able to pay some.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Here we have an AC. Just have a look at AC. It's better than cooler, ma'am. The cooler, it you can see cooler. AC is much better than cooler in these summers. So here there is an air
Yeah, but
conditioner.
I don't want an AC because why I very rarely I use this kind of things because I don't like much
Oh,
these things. But as my mom was insisting me that she needs a cooler, that's why I want to
yes,
buy
yes.
a cooler. But I don't like much using ACs or coolers, so that's why I just need a very minimum amount of cooler. That will be enough
Ma'am,
for us.
okay, ma'am, you're ready to pay 20,000, right? So here you
Yeah.
can just pay 17,000, ma'am, for this AC, and for the remaining amount, you can pay through EMI, ma'am, and we have very low interest rate. And this product we are giving it on 60%. We're giving you 40% discount, ma'am. Just have a look at it. You will not get this AC. See, since you're saying it's your mother, you need it
But if
for
I
you
buy
need
this
it for
AC, then I have to pay these EMIs and all, and I really I don't like paying EMIs already. My family has taken loan in building our home and all, so
yes,
we have
ma'am. Yes,
home
ma'am.
loans and all. So now I don't want to increase another EMI, and I don't want to pay for
You
that.
need not pay huge amount, ma'am. It's according to your convenience. You can pay. You see, you can also pay 500, right,
But
every
what
month.
about interest? There
No,
will be
ma'am. We
some
give you
interest, right?
no, ma'am. We give you at 0% interest, ma'am. We give you at a very low
Okay,
interest rate.
then, but still, can you tell me the amount of AC? How much will I need to pay?
Ma'am, this AC cost is for 40,000, but since it's a discount, you'll get it around 30,000, ma'am. Just pay 20,000 and remaining amount you can pay through EMI. And EMI, it's your option for at how much rate, at how much you want to pay. Like you can keep it for 1 year or 2 years. You can pay according to your convenience. You can pay 500 or 600. It's your convenience, ma'am. We'll take care of it. You can just pay down payment for 16,000. And also for a long term use, and these days, I think AC would be better, ma'am, even for your children or whatever. See, cooler, it just gives you air, right? For air, this is an air conditioner. In winters, you can use it as a heater too. Okay. And also it cools your whole room. And if you open the door, it cools your hall and every room, all the rooms. It's right. Your entire home will get cool. And for cooler, it's only like for a particular person, it will get air, ma'am. So better have a look at it, and we'll
Yeah, my mom only needs the cooler. I don't use all this frequently because our home is
yes,
a quite, it's a good environment, and there we don't
okay,
feel much heat and
yes,
humidity.
ma'am.
So
Okay,
that's why
ma'am, you
I
have some.
actually wanted to buy a cooler.
Okay, okay. See, for festivals or for some occasions, your like your guests might come home, your friends might come home. You might have a dinner party or some parties you might have at home, right? So at that time, you can just not keep a cooler there and everybody will sit around, right? Sit at the cooler itself. If you have an AC, you can like everybody can sit around, room in the room, and then they can just chill, right? I'm just giving you an example. Just think about it now.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So I got your point.
Yes,
So now my next
yes, ma'am.
question to you is that suppose I'm from a middle class family, okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
now I'll come to your shop to buy, say, a toy car for
Okay.
say 200 or 300. But in that case,
Yes.
you'll have to convince me to buy a remote control car of 1500. Okay.
Okay. Hello. Good
You can
evening, ma'am.
start.
Welcome to this. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to the store. So here
Good
you are
evening.
here for you're here for the toy, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, I just want a
So
toy car of 200 or 300 rupees, not more than that, okay?
okay. At what age is your kid, ma'am? May I know?
7 years.
7 years old. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So yes, ma'am. I think a remote car would be better if you look at it. Have a look at it, ma'am. Just so it would be
But
much more,
remote car, yeah,
playful
can you tell
than.
me the cost? What will be the
Yes, ma'am.
cost of a remote car?
Yes, ma'am. It's we selling it on sale. We'll just have a look at it first. I think it's for 2.5, ma'am. We'll give you a discount of 500 or 1,000. If you like the product, we'll sell it for you. Like we'll give you a discount of 1,000, ma'am. Just have a look at it. Like 1500. Sorry.
Okay, but I just wanted a car for 2 to 300 because see, my child is he is very naughty, so he just breaks everything whatever I do. So
Yes, yes.
buying a car of more money is a totally wastage of the money because he don't understand the value of thing, you know. So he'll play and
Yes,
today
ma'am.
only he is going to break. So that's why just show me a very ordinary car of 200.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay, ma'am. So your kid is of 7 years, right? So I think he might
Yeah.
see just a normal toy car. It's for only like for 2 3 years of age they'll play with a toy car, ma'am, because they'll not know how like what is a exact car or what is it actually the piece. See, he's of a 7 years old, right? So he
Yeah.
knows with that he might improve his skills too, right? Like he'll know the directions, he has to control the car and right everything. So I'm so sorry. So for that he need to use some skills, right? For the remote controlling and all. He'll enjoy it more, ma'am. Like even instead of buying 200, like there's no use of buying giving him that normal toy car. He's not of 2 to 3 years old, right? Just have a look at it.
Yeah, but I
You'll get
told
to.
you he's naughty. He don't understand the values of money or car. He will break it. He's very naughty.
But he'll
I
learn
mean,
it,
so
ma'am.
1 month. Yeah, but at this point of time, I think they only want enjoyment. So a normal car will do that. And I don't
No,
want
no,
to,
ma'am. I think they.
spend a lot of money buying playing toys and all.
Yes, ma'am. He's of 7 years of age, right? Even if he play for like a day or two, he'll learn the skills, right? He'll learn it. If this is the age they should learn it. I think just he'll love it, ma'am. He'll love it. If he'll learn that he shouldn't break things also, right? When he breaks it, he'll know he'll enjoy it for 2 days, and the third day he'll not
So
have
how
that
much
car.
will I need to pay now? I can't
Yes,
give
ma'am. You
more
need.
than 3 or 400. Sorry. So can you do something, or can you decrease the money to below 500?
No, no, ma'am. We'll not. We can't. I don't have that authority to decrease the amount. So,
Yes.
ma'am, you
Then
for later
just
on.
please give me a ordinary car. It will work for us.
No, no, ma'am. Just have a look at it. So now you're getting it for 1500. In the future, it becomes like 3500 or 4000. At the
Yeah, but
later
I
time, you can't
don't
even afford.
want only. It's not like
For the
that.
kids, you should.
I
For the kids, you should.
Yeah.
No, you should give them everything, right? They learn
So
things,
then,
ma'am.
if you are ready to pay me, or if you are if you are ready to sell the car in 400, or I can give last 450, not more than that.
No, no, ma'am. It's already for 2500. We're giving it for 1500, ma'am. We can't reduce the amount less than that.
Yeah,
Just
then okay, I'll come some other day to buy that car. But for this timing, just give me that
no, no, no,
1500.
no, ma'am. You if you want, you can pay in installments too. For 1500, you can like pay us
Why
later
will I
also.
pay installment for only a car?
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am. I can't convince more than.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Yeah,
So now
okay,
we'll be
ma'am.
having some technical question, academic question. Okay. So
Yes,
first,
ma'am.
I would like to know why the color of the sky is blue.
Right, this color of sky is blue. No idea. I'm sorry.
Okay. So what are prime numbers?
Ma'am, prime numbers are something which can't be dividable by any number.
Is
Two, three,
it?
five. No, 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 no.
So
I'm
then
so
the
sorry.
number should be divisible by something, no?
Yes, ma'am. It's 2, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Is it?
I'm,
Is two a prime number?
I'm so sorry.
So just give me some examples of even numbers.
Yes,
Any
ma'am. It's
number.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
Okay.
16.
Yeah. So now tell me, do you know the shapes of triangle? Can you name any 3 shapes of triangle?
Yes, ma'am. Three-sided triangle and
three-sided triangle. All the triangles are
Right angle
three-sided.
triangle. Ma'am, right
Yeah,
angle
yeah,
triangle.
yeah.
Yeah, right angle triangle and sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to recall maths right now.
Yeah, no problem. So now tell me, suppose I want to grow a plant, and for that, instead of growing that plant outside my home, okay, under the sunlight, I want to grow that plant inside my room, means in our house only. So I am giving all
Okay.
the means watering and all, but instead of that sunlight, I am just given a bulb. Means I have used a bulb, okay. So above that plant, there is a bulb, not the sunlight. So in that case,
Okay.
what do you think? The plant will grow or the plant will not grow?
I think plant
Because
will
I'm
not grow,
giving
ma'am.
everything. I'm giving everything, watering the plants daily, nurturing the plant properly, but
Ma'am,
only instead. Yeah.
I think, I'm so sorry. I think it depends on the plant types, ma'am. For indoor plants, you need not need a greater amount of sunlight. So I think it depends on plant, ma'am.
Okay, but if I want to plant a rose plant, then what
I
will
think it
it
needs a
grow?
sunlight. It needs sunlight, ma'am. It needs
Why?
sunlight.
But I am giving the bulb. No, the bulb is doing the same work the sun do.
I think
It's
the
providing
process of
same rays.
the process of photosynthesis happens to sunlight, right? It has to
It's
take.
making food. I'm giving everything. I'm giving the
No, ma'am. I think the
minerals.
process of photosynthesis, the
So
breaking of,
according to you,
um,
not
I think for
it will not grow because of photosynthesis. Means the plant will unable to prepare its food.
yes, ma'am.
So now we'll be moving to some BDA questions. Okay. Suppose you
Yes,
are the
ma'am. Yes.
BDA of Byju's, and my first situation is that my child is already enrolled with extra marks and is doing very well. He's getting 90%. Earlier he was getting only 40, 50. Now he has just directly came to 90% category. So now you are the BDA of Byju's. So in that case, how will you convince me to take Byju's over extra marks?
Okay. Okay. Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm calling from Byju's, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, you have a kid, right, ma'am? At what age is your child, ma'am?
Yeah, he is 6 years old and he's in grade 1.
One. Okay, ma'am. How well is he studying, ma'am?
Yeah, actually, see, I'm a working person and my husband also works, so we don't we means we can't give him much more time, so that's why his results are degrading day by day. So now we have enrolled him in extra marks, and just trust me, he's doing very well. He's getting
Okay.
90% in class 1 only, so he's doing very
Okay.
well.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, we're calling from Byju's. So here, this is we are also one of the learning app right now. In our area, we're doing the best, ma'am, for the kids, for helping them in tuitions and all. Uh, mm,
Yeah, I
so
have listened about Byju's. I
yes,
know about Byju's, but yeah, I think you can switch to some other people as
no,
we
no,
have
no, no,
already enrolled our
no, no.
child.
Yes, ma'am. No, no, no. Just have a look at it, ma'am. We're having a scholarship test on this Sunday. Just make your child write that test, and we'll be giving you a scholarship based on his on his performance, ma'am. May I know how much you're paying for this the tuition which you've joined your kid? May I know how much you're paying for it?
Yeah, the 1 year course is only 14,000.
Okay, it's for 14,000. Okay, ma'am. Like just enroll, just make your child write this test also. Based on the scholarship, will give you a huge discount, ma'am. And here,
Yeah, but can you tell me, means as I have
yes,
already enrolled and as he is doing good, so for our parents, we just want our child to do better so that he
yes, ma'am.
can grab his attention towards studies, and he is doing everything well. So now can you just explain that what is the need of enrolling him again to some other platform? It will distract him from studies. and it will also create a bad effect. He will think that my parents have not trusted me even after, and he's too small for that. So he's enjoying in extra marks, he's playing cartoons and he's studying. So I think he's quite happy, and I don't require any other platform now.
No, ma'am. Your child is in an age where he needs a lot of concentration right now. So, ma'am, for the Byju's,
he is paying concentration now. Now we don't have any
ma'am.
problem with extra marks, so that's why we don't want Byju's actually.
It's okay. It's not always about marks, ma'am. It's also about knowledge. Here in the Byju's, we're giving an tab for your kid. We'll give you a tab for your kid where there is no other apps installed. It's just the Byju's app installed in it. So the basic feature, the most important feature of unique feature from the other thing is that we give you a tab for your kid where he only have this his classes or lessons. He'll be having it, and he'll have a test for, and I don't think the other institute which you joined will give you this thing, and he'll have a quiz after every
No, we are getting quizzes, we are getting tests, practice, lessons.
I don't think that he's getting a tab, ma'am, in that institute. I don't think he'll be getting a
in
tab.
extra marks, But see, there we were given two options. Either we can just simply take the course from the tab, or directly we can install the app. So we have choose the option of application. So from our phone only our child studies. So because we don't want our child, he's in class 1 and 6 years old, and I don't want him to study using the tablet because of raises and all, because of eye effects. So that's why it's a very good initiative taken by Extra Marks that they have provided this application in our mobile. So we are very happy using that.
But in your phone, I think with age, like he goes to second and third class, right? That is the age where they deviate, like they start playing video games. Can you hear me? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So this is the age where he starts playing games and all. If you give your phone, ma'am, he'll start playing video games. He might start. I'm not telling he'll start, but he might start, right? And also, Byju's is one of the best learning app, ma'am, because we've got recognized as one of the best.
Can you tell me the course price of 1 year course? What is the price?
Ma'am, we give you price based on the scholarship test, ma'am. You will get discount based on it.
Okay, but then also you can at least I just want to have an idea about how much more I need to pay in Byju's.
We give you for 40,000, ma'am. If your child does well, we'll give you a discount too. And also we have a good mentor, good teachers and good mentors, ma'am. The lessons which you get, I'm pretty sure about it. You'll not get in any app or in from any other institution, ma'am. Just have a look at it. Make your test, write the scholarship test. If he does well, we'll give you a good discount, ma'am. Yes, just have a look at it.
I got your point.
Yes,
okay. So now my next question to you is that suppose you have come to my place for the counseling session, and I asked you some basic academics question. Okay, academic question, but you were unable to answer. So in that case, I don't want to trust Byju's. Okay, so now how will you convince me?
Okay. Hey, ma'am, you need not trust my academic skills because I'm not in a mentor in a teaching field, ma'am. I'm a salesperson. I'm a business development associate person. I'm here for you to explain about the Byju's app. But I think
still, you have only come to my house. You have only visited my house for the session, and you started asking question to my child. So that's why it's our duty also to examine Byju's, how you all, what kind of knowledge you all have, because you have visited my place. No other person visited my place for the counseling session. So I will take the decision based on the trust, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't know any basic question.
I think.
In that case, I don't think it will be helpful for us.
We have mentors, ma'am. We have mentors for your kid. I think for me, it's not, I've not been into this education. I've been into job and sales from past 1-2 years. So So I'm not into academics like from so past. Ma'am, you can talk to our mentors, you can talk to them about their, you can question them, like not question them, but you can talk to them. You'll get to know what what knowledge they have, because since they teach your kids, it's not my profession, right, ma'am? Like I think you can talk. I'll make you talk to a mentor in our Byju's. You can talk to them, ma'am. You can talk to them, and yeah, you can take your decision.
Can you tell me any three features of Byju's?
Three features of Byju's. Um, Ma'am, it gives you this ma'am, features in what sense, ma'am?
Yeah, features about the learning application, the courses. Why should
Yes,
student
ma'am.
opt Byju's? Why should they go for
Yes,
Byju's? So well, there should be certain features, no?
yes, ma'am. We give you a student. One is the student kit which they get. I guess it's one of the unique feature, and also the quizzes which they get after the every lesson, and also the teachers and the mentors there, they give the best faculty gets recruited there.
Okay.
Yes,
So where do you want to see yourself after 6 years?
after 6 years. Uh, since I'm interested, I've been in this field, and I'm enjoying this field. I want to be in a very good reputed company. It might I think Byju's is also one of the most reputed company. I want. I'm so sorry. I want to
Okay.
improve myself. I want to grow myself in this same profession, ma'am. Yeah, that's it, ma'am. I want
And
to be in.
why should we hire you?
Why should you, ma'am? Ma'am, since I have good communication, and also have experience in sales, I think you should hire me, ma'am. And I think I have
Yeah,
a
but
good
everyone
communication.
will say the same that ma'am, I have good communication skill. I am good in convincing people. So what is the difference between every other people and you? What is that point or what is that special feature you have for which you
I
should be hired on?
um, um, Ma'am, based, I think since you've talked for me for 15 to 20 minutes, I think you saw my communication skills, and also I see myself as a very confident person, and I'll do better. I'll assure you that I'll do best in this job, ma'am, and I have a good communication skills.
So if
Yes,
you are asked to sign a bond in this company, then
yes,
do you have any problem in signing a bond? Because it's a
ma'am.
very hectic job. At any point of time, you may feel like I need to quit this job, I can't do, or it's not happening. So in that case, what do you think? If you are asked to sign a bond, will it be easy for you? Or will you
Yes, ma'am.
sign?
Since I want to be in sales itself, so I'm ready to sign a bond, ma'am.
So sometimes if it happens that to protect your job, to secure your job, if you are asked to spend your own money, okay,
Mm.
to make a sale, will you do that in order to save your job?
Maybe for one sale I can do it, ma'am. Depends on that. Because since I might get it, also I might do it, ma'am.
But if they later on come to know about that, then I don't know what's gonna happen with
No,
you.
without knowing the company. No, ma'am. No,
Oh,
I
that.
don't. No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, I
okay.
don't.
Okay, so here we come to the end of our interview. Okay.